Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Dodge Charger. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are correctly adjusted for a clear view. Insert the key or press the start button to power on the engine. Next, locate the gear selector, typically a shifter or rotary dial, and understand its positions for park, reverse, neutral, and drive. This foundational setup is crucial for a safe and comfortable driving experience. Once the engine is running, shift into drive. Gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving forward. Remember, the Charger has significant power, so a light touch is often sufficient. To slow down or stop, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. Practice smooth steering inputs to maintain your lane and navigate turns effectively. Focus on gradual movements for a controlled and confident drive. Your Dodge Charger offers various features to enhance your driving. Many models include performance modes like Sport or Track, which adjust engine and transmission settings for a more dynamic feel. If equipped, paddle shifters allow you to manually control gear changes, offering a more engaging experience. Familiarize yourself with safety systems, such as traction control, and know when to engage or disengage them for optimal handling. Parking your Charger requires attention to your surroundings. Utilize your side mirrors and any available backup cameras for precise maneuvering into parking spaces. Once parked, always engage the parking brake to secure the vehicle, especially on inclines. To ensure your Charger performs its best for years to come, adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including oil changes and tire rotations. Proper care extends its life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.